So here I have a drawing, and that's a view that's been placed down at the master level of detail, and I can balloon every item in here. It's all recognizable on the sheet and in this workspace. So if I open up the assembly, looking at the view, you can see the level of detail is set to master, and then when I go to the assembly itself, this has 66 parts in it and references to 71 files. So I'll just close this down and then go back to an alternative view. So this is the same assembly with a different level of detail set. Now the ballooning will work on the yellow box because that is at a master level of detail, but the ballooning won't work on the red, the blue or the green boxes because those are derived substitutes. So again, if I look at the drawing view in detail, I can open up and see that level of detail is, I've described that as yellow only, and then if I open up the main assembly, this one only has 24 parts in it. So that's a lighter load for Inventor to move the files around and the relationships that it has to calculate between each of the parts. So that should help speed up the assembly. Looking at the structure of this example that I've created, so the top level has 2 sub-assemblies, and then there are assemblies below that which I've described as red, yellow, blue and green. And then there's a skeleton that the frame generator has used, and then there's the parts within the frame generator itself. So I've just tried to mimic what is a larger assembly with sub-assemblies and sub-assemblies below that. So that's looking at the structure in the bill of material. Now if we look at the structure in the browser, you can see my sub-assembly at the second level down, and then the third level down I've got my third assembly, which has the levels of detail set within it. So it's for each sub-assembly is having a replacement level of detail created within it.